Hi, this video I will show you some basic features on Casio calculator. The model is FX82AU plus 2. Okay, now if you haven't got this exact model, you got a Casio and FX82AU without the plus 2. Technically, everything else should be pretty similar. Okay, except this model here, you have greatest common denominator, which is lowest common factor, if you like, and then the bottom here is lowest common multiple. And for the statistic, you can actually, with this model, you can find lower quartile, upper quartiles, minimum, maximum score, and so on. Yeah, that's the difference. Okay, now before you use calculator, okay, best to getting the right mode. Now you can see, for example, my one, if you see this, my calculator here on the screen, you can see the stat here and R here. R is radian. So this R, it technically doesn't affect much unless you use these trigonometry functions like sine, cos, tan, and so on. Other than that, doesn't affect much. But because I'm on a stat mode, you can see if I want to do a fractions, let's say 8 over 9. See, you can see it displayed differently. So most people don't like this, okay, because they can't really read like that. Some people, this is why it's so annoying, because it's on the same line. Okay, so a way to get out of this is, the quickest way is you reset your calculator. Okay, now to reset this calculator, all you need to do, okay, you press shift, clear, which is 9. Yes, you can see clear. Okay, so press 9, and then you want to clear all. So you got clear, setup, memory, all. I want all. Yes, so press 3, and then just follow the prompt, reset all. If you press equal, okay, if you tap the equal sign, it say yes. Otherwise, you press AC mean cancel. So I want clear, reset more. So which is equal. So AC, follow the prompt, press AC. Okay, so that's it. So back to normal mode. Now you can see 8 over 9. See, that's how it is. Okay, so just remember, if you worry about your calculator not in the right mode, you can just reset it, and it's just back to factory mode. Okay, so easier for you if you're not sure which one is which. So that's the best way to do that. Now, when you're on this mode, so for example, okay, I'm going to show you some of the features that people usually use in the wrong way. Technically, it doesn't affect much, but I just want to show you some of the features here. Now, you can see this is on button, right? Now, and then this is off as well. See, on, off, but underneath here, see, under gold color. So to turn it on, you press this button. Turn off, you go shift. Okay, press shift and then AC. So it should turn off. Okay. Now, if you do not turn it off, it doesn't matter. After a few minutes, this calculator will turn off by itself. So just saying. Okay. Now, the reason I said is on, I need to re-emphasize on is this. A lot of people, they use this as clear screen. Okay. Let's say 7 times 6. Okay. At 9. Okay, and equal, so 51. Now, instead of clear using OC, okay, I see a lot of people just use on button. Press on, still works, it clear everything, but technically this is for it. Okay, IC is the purpose is to clear screen. Okay, all clear if you like. So let's say 6 plus 3 at 8. Okay, if you press equal and then 16 and then want to clear the screen, it's just IC. That's what it's for. Okay, now with the delete button, okay, is slightly different, because the delete button and you only clear one at a time. Let's say I press plus 8 and then times 3 at 2, let's say times 5. Okay, equal. I don't press equal yet. Let's say I make a mistake on time 3, I make a mistake. It should be time 5, for instance. Yeah. So I can just move the cursor, replace here, replay. I go here, and the delete button. That's what it's for. All right. And then I time 5, for instance. Yeah. And then equal. See. Now and I said, oh, hang on, I make a mistake. It's supposed to be minus instead of plus. So I just move the cursor. See, forward, backward, and then I delete it, and then I put a negative, and then that becomes this. You see? Now that's what it's for. Okay, so these are the buttons you should familiar with. These are the main feature, of course. And then let's say if I don't want to clear IC, because with this model, all these calculator, it does like this. When you put an equal sign, after that you want to move on, you don't have to put AC if you like, because when you type a new button, it automatically clear for you. Let's say 8. See, can you see 8 times, let's say 7, okay, equal. See, and then I'm gonna perform different calculation. Now I don't have to press AC if I like. I just go 6. See, it clear the screen for me, so you don't have to worry. Okay. So these are some feature that's I can see a lot of people, they don't use it. So this is the thing that you you can do in this calculator here. See, now the next one I want to show you is the answer button. The answer button is quite good actually. I use it a lot, and it's quick and easy and accurate. I show you. Let's say I move on. I clear the screen first, yeah, if I want to clear. Otherwise, I just type, let's say 9 plus 7, okay, which is equal 16. Then I want to use 16 add 5. So I don't have to type 16. A lot of people just type 16 and then add 5. Now, with this answer button, it automatically store the last answer for you. So you don't have to. For example, I clear all, right? Let's say, for example, so remember 16 your answer. So I want to write 16, I want to do 16 at, let's say at 8. So I don't have to type 16 anymore because the last answer was 16. So I can just press answer at 8. See? So 16 at 8, right? You should get 24. So let's say, see, there you go. See, and I want to use 24. Let's say divided by, doesn't matter. Let's say 24 divided by 8. So I go, instead of write 24 divided by 8, because the last answer is 24, so I just type 24 divided by 8. So you should get 3, right? See, 3. Then turn on, clear screen. So so I just bring it back. So I clear the screen. Now what happened is this: if you turn it off by itself, you turn it off, because I can't do it here. But if you turn it off and then you turn on again, okay, it doesn't matter how long it is, and the last answer always store it for you. Let's see, answer, you press the answer, equal. See, it's always stored for you, the last answer. Okay, so yes, these are the basic features to use, and thank you so much for watching my videos.